Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Lovely spec and nice miles this. VW Tiguan 2 litre TDI BlueMotion Tech Match. DSG automatic 4-wheel drive start-stop. Diesel auto 4-wheel drive. 75,000 miles. Lots of lovely service history and important servicing work done. Serviced at 8, 18, 27, 38 and 46, all by VW with the CAMBELT. Then at 49 again serviced with the HALDEX service by VW. Then serviced at 54, 60, 64 and 70,000 miles. Wow, that's what you want. £9,495. Metallic black, black heated leather. Nice spec this. Sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, leather seats, heated seats, front and rear park sensors, self-parking assistant, privacy glass. I think the load cover's in there, and I think it's got a space saver spare wheel. Very, very, very nice. So, alloy wheels, lovely. Back tyre, virtually as new. I think two of the tyres, I think the front tyres are actually brand new. So, front park sensors, front clocks, daytime running lights. We look inside. Automatic gearbox, fitted, it's got some mats in it, it's got the leather seats, cruise control, multi-function steering wheel with cruise, front and rear park sensors. I'll show you the satellite navigation, it's there, just adjust the map so you can see, climate control and heated seats, automatic gearbox, electronic handbrake, hill hold assist, self-parking, all there. Very nice. In the back, nice and clean. Got the picnic tables on the backs of the front seats. Electric rear windows, obviously. Rear park sensors. 2 litre TDI 4-wheel drive. Yeah, load cover in the boot area. Lovely, lovely clean boot. And under there, space saver, spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, etc. Got the little flap that you fold down in the back seat for a bit of through load facility, so you can put your fishing rods or skis through, or your scaffold pole. Right, equally as nice this side. Wheels and tyres, very nice. Paintwork, lovely. New discs and pads on the front, I can see that. Very nice car, all together. CAMBELT done, HALDEX oil replaced, lots of servicing, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, electric driver's seat, leather, and it's heated, multifunction steering wheel, automatic lights, 2 keys, cruise control over there on the stalk, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth. Yeah, very, very, very nice car there. Electric driver's seat. Yeah, superb. £9,495. Lovely car that. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we have a fresh car come into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.